contemplating it out. It's not.
I might make it more cold in the refrigerator. So I make it cold in my refrigerator.
It's what, 4 bags?
Well, I would suggest we use that after we move it then.
And I'm not a refrigerator, that refrigerator. I'm going to get more cold.
Ask Daddy.
What?
Ask Daddy to help you.
Daddy, I will put this in. This you stand. That you stand. That you skin.
That's my skin.
What? Ah!
Where's my jean ripped?
What? Well, no, look this. Scatters my boo-boo. No, scatters with this. Scatter with this. Scatter with this.
It's okay. Hey, Tori, you all done?
Look at this story. It hurt myself.
Let me see.
My finger hurt me.
I'm sorry.
And it called me and wiped me.
Okay. I just made it better.
Okay.
Thank you.
I'm so sad. So squishy.
All right, Liam.
Huh?
Go put it away.
No, I want to see it.
Move.
You want to see it?
No. Liam.
Ah, I see his nose.
Move.
Why?
Because I don't want to see it. I want to see if Tori's going to stop eating the milkshake.
We see it?
Liam, come here. Liam, come here.
What?
This side.
I want to see him.
This side,
What
please.
do you mean? Mommy?
You are a gigantic ham.
Yeah, I want to see this.
I've already seen Elmo.
Mmm. Let me have this back.
You see, take a picture of it. Take a picture
I
of
took a
it.
picture.
Tori.
Now leave me alone. Tori says, I want a milkshake. All right,
Where'd he go?
leave him alone. Come sit down. Do not touch. Do not touch my phone. Ooh.
It's so
Tori has
hurt.
decided to get the other milkshake. Ah, okay.
I told him to.
Oh.
My finger hurts. My finger hurts.
Okay.
Right here.
He says, Daddy? No, thank you.
What flavor is yours?
Mint.
Mint.
Mint?
Apparently you like mint better than mine.
Please.
Hmm?
Mint.